Spectralink is a manufacturer with an international footprint. We are leaders in the enterprise market, retail, logistics, hospitality.
Keyyo is a subsidiary of Bouygues Telecom Enterprise, and we are providing a solution to SMB markets for a complete telecom environment. We developed a wireless solution to allow all employees to work from anywhere inside the enterprise. These solutions are normally for big customers and complex projects. Our collaboration with Spectralink gives birth to a simple solution for SMB market. Simple to install, simple to administrate, simple to operate. Spectralink portfolio was quite impressive, but not matching with our SMB market. Too many options, too many licenses. So we worked together to create this specific offer. The target was clear: creating some bundle and make it plug and play for our customer. Spectralink make it very easy. You just have to take the base station, connect that to internet, and the handsets are already working. Everything is plug and play. This is our mutual vision between Keyyo and Spectralink. In order to work with our auto provisioning, Spectralink was able to modify the label sticker to add MAC address and IP barcode. For example, we have a bundle with a server 200, a handset, and all licenses. It's our flagship offer. And of course, we can add additional handset if customer needs some. Our UCaaS offer is providing a full feature communication to our customer based on a scalable and reliable software and hardware. We are selling a lot of devices every month. Single sell with one or many handsets, or multi-sell for much bigger customer. I have one customer in mind. We installed a retirement home with a full coverage. Every worker has his own handsets. After a few months, they made a new building, and thanks to Spectralink scalability, we were able to add additional base station very easily.
When our customers choose or select Spectralink solutions, they are not only choosing the state-of-art today's mobility solutions, but they are also buying 30 years of experience, expertise in DECT and Wi-Fi. And that's the reason why UCaaS partners such as Keyyo, who are really looking for a deep integration and not just interoperability, are partnering with Spectralink and selecting Spectralink solutions. They give us feedback, we try to implement it in our products, and it's easy for Spectralink because we are really a manufacturer. The DECT engineers and the R&D is based in Denmark, so we can implement or fix any problems really quickly.
With Spectralink solution, we can provide a high quality audio and high interoperability solution with our own UCaaS ecosystem. As a manufacturer, Spectralink is very receptive to our feedback and requests in order to add this evolution in future products. It's a real win-win deal.
The technical and sales partnership with Keyyo allowed us to build the strongest value and business proposition for the UCaaS market today. We are proud of this partnership with Keyyo, and we will continue to grow our cooperation to bring to the market the best of breed mobility communications for the UCaaS and enterprise customers.